How to diversify your portfolio with USDG Crypto. Hi, this is Crypto Willis from ChangeX.com. The stablecoin USDG Crypto, aka Gate USD, presents one of the most enticing options to diversify your crypto portfolio that I have seen for some time. Beginner-level crypto investors many times make the mistake of over-risk diversification. This happens when an investor invests all or a large percentage of their capital into a risky crypto project, hoping to maximize their profits. One of the best ways to offset risk is through stablecoins like USDG Crypto. USDG is a US dollar-pegged stablecoin. It was launched by Gate.io in 2018 to serve as a stablecoin in the Gate.io ecosystem. USDG is stored on the Ethereum blockchain and Gate chain. The main purpose of the USDG is to provide liquidity to the Gate.io exchange. However, it is not limited to the Gate.io exchange. Instead, users can purchase USDG on popular crypto exchanges like Binance and Coinbase. Stablecoins are cryptocurrencies that are not highly volatile. Instead, their value remains relatively stable around an established price. Investors can use stablecoins to store value and trade liquidity. There are three main reasons you should always diversify your crypto portfolio. Number one, diversification minimizes risk. Cryptocurrency can be a risky investment. Therefore, investors need to look for every opportunity that they can to leverage and minimize the risk of their portfolio. The right diversification balance requires investors to offset the more risky, high-potential coins with a mix of stable currencies. One of the best ways to minimize risk is to diversify, specifically in a stable coin. Number two, diversification through stablecoin provides liquidity. As a crypto investor, you need to maintain some level of liquidity because the opportunities for skyrocketing profits come only to those who can strike the precise moment of opportunity. Suppose you're holding Bitcoin, for example, and it's currently in a bear market, but you see a great opportunity to invest in another coin. If all of your capital is tied up in a bear market, you would either have to forfeit the opportunity or divest some of your bearish position in order to invest. Suppose, however, you have a reserve held in a stablecoin, such as USDG. You can use that portion of your portfolio without taking a negative hit. Number three, diversification enables you to confidently take risks. Diversification enables investors to take risks in a more controlled manner. The end result of putting too many eggs in one basket is not a pretty picture. There are four main reasons that make USDG an extremely attractive option for diversifying your crypto portfolio that I want to share with you today. Number one, I've already mentioned that USDG coin is a stable coin backed by an exchange with a solid reputation. USDG is a safe bet against inflation and bear markets. Number two, you can hold and earn with USDG Crypto. USDG is attractive because it allows investors to earn while keeping your investment safe. It enables investors to get a high annualized yield percentage of return. This stablecoin is simply a win-win. The third reason I want to note that makes USDG so attractive is the trading and liquidity it brings to your portfolio. It is not easy to instantly sell your crypto coins, especially at a profitable rate. The markets are always fluctuating. However, USDG is pegged with the US dollar, so you can instantly trade without fear of loss. The fourth thing is that the USDG is backed by one of the most reliable exchanges in the world. Gate.io is trusted by over 10 million users who trade over $12 billion daily. As you can see, this stablecoin has extremely solid footing. A wise approach to diversification would be diversify your portfolio with a stablecoin like USDG along with high potential yield coins. By doing so, you'll be able to maximize your leverage, ensure your liquidity, and minimize your risk. At CryptoChangex.com, we are dedicated to informed crypto investing and wish for your trading success. Remember to subscribe to this channel for continued tips and information.